Alright, what's good, y'all? This your boy Zoe. I'm back with another video. So today I'm about to be doing a trade breakdown on gold and GBPUSD. I took these two trades today. Both of them slapped, bro. Like, I went crazy this whole... We up like 500 pips in my VIP Academy group in just this week alone, right? Because I just ended, accepting people for signals. Only people that get signals from me now is the people in my VIP Academy. They get access to my course, my signals, and they get access to like me doing live trading and mentorship with them too. So I was on a live trading session with my academy last night, and bro, we caught almost 200. We caught 200 pips between GBPUSD and gold combined. Just this week alone, we up about 500 pips. We've been going crazy, bro. Like, I'm telling y'all. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this trade breakdown. This trade is actually a trade that I was taking for a prop firm. The prop firm is called The Prop Trading. I'm gonna show y'all their website right here. They allow you to get up to $200,000 funded accounts for $800 only. If you compare that to FTMO charge $600 for a 100K account and $1,300 for a 200K. So this 200K is worth way more to you than FTMO. They get an 80% profit split. Your leverage is 1 to 200, and you only have to hit an 8% profit target, right? So on FTMO, you got to hit 10%. On this, you only have to hit 8% and 4%. So I bought two 200K challenges and I bought one 100K. The first 200K challenge, I passed it this week, but I bought that one separately from when I bought the other two. Yesterday, I bought another 200K and another 100K. So I could have $500,000 in capital combined from them on one account. And I passed both of those challenges in one day. So I'm about to show y'all the trades. I'm gonna show y'all the screenshot of all the accounts passing the profit target. Right now I'm moving on to phase 2, but I have to knock out the rest of this 10-day minimum because you got to trade for minimum of 10 days. So once I finish the 10 days, then I'll move on to step 2. And step 2 is only make 4%, which is gonna be completely easy. And then I'll show y'all once I have the live account and then the withdrawal and stuff like that. I don't know, I might show y'all, I might not. But there's another company called the Funding Talent. They actually gave me a 100K account for free to make a review on them. So I actually passed that challenge. I passed the first stage and the second stage. So I'm guaranteed funded with them. I just gotta wait my 10 days out for phase 2. I'm gonna show y'all a video on that one too. But this is the video for the prop trading. So we're gonna go over this trade. Let me show y'all. This was the gold trade we took right here during Asia session, right? I mean, it was like before London started. Asia had gave this W. Y'all know all I like to trade is M's and W's, right? I teach this in my academy. My academy is a little bit more in depth, but I'm gonna show y'all basically everything, how the trade played out. So as you can see at the bottom of Asia, it made this W right here, right? So initially I was gonna get into the trade right here, but I wasn't even like focused on trading at the time. It was Asia session. I don't really like to trade during Asia. I only like to trade once Asia makes a second leg out of Asia. I mean, once they make a second leg W out of Asia, right? So this was my entry right here. I got into this trade on this candle right here, and I put my stop loss below the wick. So my stop loss was around a 15 pip stop loss. As y'all can see, price instantly went into profit. Literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 candles straight in the profit. Let's see how many pips I caught off this trade. This trade went all the way up here and I got out on this red candle. Then I caught a sell down to complete the rest of the challenge. But 134 pips on gold. And then if we go over to GU, and then actually I caught this sell right here to finish my last 200K challenge, right? Because I needed off this trade plus the GU trade, I was up 13,000 on the account. I needed 3,000 more to pass, and I wasn't trying to wait till next week, so I took this sale right here. This is basically just like one of those divergence trades I usually teach y'all about. As you can see, you draw a trend line from here to here, and then if we look at the RSI, you see how it's massively is really divergent. It's above the 85 on the RSI, which is another confirmation, and then we divergent. So and then we get this engulfing candle right here. So I took this off this engulfing candle, and I rode it down to 1840 with a 10 lot. So I just caught 30 pips going down to 1840. You see how I hit 1740, and then it came back up and then it dropped some more. So I was able to complete the challenge. I passed 3 challenges today. off this setup, and I'm gonna show y'all the GBPUSD setup. The GU setup is right here. Let me show y'all this. So if we look at the Asia mid, right, we basically, it's the same thing that happened on gold. We took this W, right, we got this engulfing candle right here. This engulfing candle, I took the buy, stop loss below here for 4 pips, and then hold up, stop loss was 4 pips, and then price went up about 50. So we went all the way up 45 pips. So I caught 45 pips off this move, and then 140 plus 30, so 170. So I caught 210 pips today off this trade. So easy money. I could have caught this sale back down, but I got off the charts after I hit my profit target, because you got to understand, when you hit your profit target and you don't really have no point in trading no more, it's no point to trade. Like I made all my money on the live accounts, the challenge accounts. There was no point in me, you know, trading no more. But this was a good move too, because this M ended up going for about 120 pips, but I didn't take that one. So yeah, I showed y'all the GU trade and I showed y'all the XAU trade. Now I'm going to post the screenshots on the screen and show y'all my profit target. Let me go through each one of these screenshots right now that I'm gonna put on screen for y'all. As you can see, this first this 100K account, I ended up making $8,020 off this trade in one day on 3 setups. I mean on 3 trades, because I placed 3 buys on the GBPUSD trade right here. I placed 3 buys on this trade, and with 10 lots a piece. So I ended up catching 30 pips and making the 8,000. So that was pretty easy. And then we move on to the second screenshot, which I ended up making. This was my 200K account. This is the other 200K. I ended up making $16,200 on this account in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 trades. But the first 2 trades was really like me testing entries, and it didn't go my way. So then I just reanalyzed the situation and got in again. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning trades. 3 of them was GBPUSD. I went in with 30 lots on this trade too, on GBPUSD, and then I went in with 10 lots on gold. So this trade got smacked. The $16,000 was made, 1 trade. And then my last account, which I did days ago, I ended up passing this one only on gold. I made 10, 20. I entered with 25 lots on gold, and I made like $17,000 on this account in the first day, and that was it. So I'll be passing all of these funded these funded prop firm challenges in one day. Just because I'm kind of experienced with trading, and it's easy for me to get 8%. 8% is really nothing. I'll show y'all the 500K account once I get the credentials, and I'll let y'all know about how the withdrawal process go and everything like that. So like I said, if y'all want to sign up for the academy and do these trades with me live and stuff, y'all can sign up for the academy. The link is in the description, zorexacademy.com. Go and sign up for the academy if you want to learn hands-on with me. I do not sell signals alone anymore. The only people who get signals is the people that been in the signals chat already, that pay for like lifetime, and the people that's in the VIP academy. But you cannot buy signals separately from me no more. The only way you can get access to me is by joining the academy. So if y'all want to learn how to do this, and some of my academy students was actually taking these trades today on their prop challenges, and we went crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna update y'all on the verifications once I get the funded account and stuff like that too for this prop firm. But I got another video coming out later too on Funding Talent, which is the video that I really want y'all to pay attention to, because they are a great company. It's pros and cons to this company right here that I don't like. Matter of fact, let me list them right quick. So as far as prop trading go, their support team is kind of, they really slow. They respond real slow, and it's because they company only been like operating. They made a lot of changes to their company, so it's only been operating like for like the last 10 days, right? So for the past 2 weeks is when they really started like giving out the challenges and stuff like that. So they still kind of new, but their support team is really slow getting back to you, and they take quite a while to give you your login credentials, like 4 to 5 hours. FTMO give you your stuff within like 30 minutes to an hour, depending on what time of day you buy it. But this is I do not trade FTMO no more. I do not like FTMO's prop firm at all no more. I hate when they restrict you from trading news, so I don't trade their firm no more. This company doesn't restrict you from news. They give you an 80% profit split. You get paid monthly. The best prop firm out there right now, in my opinion, would be Funding Talent. And I'll go over a video showing y'all that later. But like I said, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all go ahead and drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.